Hi, Romy. Hey, Romy. You gonna step up? Oh, you are, aren't you? Absolutely. You just wish I was your new daddy or mom, huh? You want to see your new dick pal? Romy's gonna go to his forever home this week. What do you think of that, sweetie pie? You gonna go to your happy home? You're going to a new place and you're gonna love it. And people are gonna love you. They're gonna love you, Romy. They're just gonna think you're terrific. Hold on. Don't fall over backwards. You want the fruit cup? Oh, yes, of course. Why are you leaning backwards? Romy. Romy. Good job, Romy. Yay, Romy. What, sweetie pie? What is it, sweetie pea? Little Romy baby. Who's my good boy? Who's my good boy? Who's a pretty bird? It's all right, Romy. It's all right, sweetie. Why are you so nervous? Don't be nervous. Everything's fine. There you go. Good job. Your little feet are crunching my leg. There's no need to be nervous. Everything's okay, Romy. You're a good bird. Love that, Romy. Romy. Oh, baby. What is it, baby? Romy, pretty bird. Where's my pretty Romy? Oops. All right, how about that one? Romy. That's for my baby bird. Good job, Romy.